what's up? You know what? I called you here to let you know what I've got. You understand? Yeah, as you can see, this house all belongs to me. You understand? Yeah, I'm leasing this house. I leased it from the landlord. You understand? When I came here, the landlord said, I need some money. Do you understand? Americano, can you give me some loan? I said, no, I'm going to give you money. I'm going to take this. So you can see this poor man over there. Okay. Yeah. I feed him. I accommodate him. Yeah, he's an old man over here. He sleeps in my porch. You understand? Yeah, okay. He's got nothing. You understand? I give him food. I give him clothes. I give him anything he want to do. You understand? If you want to work, if you want to eat, if you want to drink, if you anything, I provide. You understand?
Yeah, such a good man.
Yeah. So you've got nothing to worry about. You understand? I'm gonna take you to Dubai. I'm gonna take you to Singapore.
Such a good man, Jimmy.
What's up? What's wrong with you?
Jimmy, such a good man. Jimmy, so what told me? When I was one, say, can't find a day when you say, Jiro, will be pointing me. Oh, quiet, there will no so sneaky. Is he talking to me?
No, he's got mental problems.
Oh, drama, call like kitty way. You're Tina way. Yeah, the Dan crash is.
Hey, Papa! Me teach you. Me, here, woman, I here, woman, cry.
What is he talking about?
Maybe I wouldn't have. When I come to the my brother. Wouldn't even know one would see me. The patch up. A chabin able to it is on our force. I want what coming. Now, run a travel with them, no by your hand. What the woman will call them and I'm at it.
If I cannot see a high end, dear, no by you say, or do Becco say, and so say, Shannon, and say, oh, the Shannon and Papa. Shannon and Papa, Shannon and Papa. Hello. Also, we are about Papa.
After my young baby, so but any matter.
This? Yeah. Yeah, our boss is from New York.
That is stupid.
Brana me trouble be order. What Jones up at all? Jones Hall. And when you are to a Jones Hall. Ni sikron chuchi ya not one. One in a catan into one tea. One in a catan into one tea.
He's going mad. Do you understand? We need to take him to the psychiatric hospital. Do you understand? Don't mind him. This is from New York. Do you understand?
Hold on. If I told. Oh, yeah, we're doing
it. Many if you're right. Yeah, what I hear, media. Ni Georgia on, ni Georgia on Barbara Bobiabo, where Johnson, we send of them, or Bebo Grow, or Betty Angelo, Unia Mamma Bitty saying, Unia Mamma Bitty saying,
I'm a tassel.
He's a tassel.
Oh, come from us and me.
What's wrong with you?
You see, it's okay. So you also called me, you invited me here to disgrace me.
No.
That's what you mean?
I want you to know what I want, what I need, what I've got. And
it's okay.
Hey, what kind of What are you going?
Hello. This is what you've called? So you invited me all the way from my place to here to disgrace me. Is that what you mean?
Am I disgracing you?
I'm going for my bag. You say you will not allow me. Why?
That's the madman in the house. He's mad.
Okay,
yeah, call the police.
I'll go to my
You see what you cost? You see what you cost?
Do me, I dare you. Man, no go best. Talk to me, I taught you. Man, no go best. Talk to me, I taught you. Me. If you do me today, now tomorrow I go do you. Now me, you dey talk. Now me born, you know be you born me.
He's taking my 20,000.
He's taking your 5,000, 50,000. I don't care. Barbara Bopa. So me, Ibo lekele, ole. Oh, ne? The American boy. The Americana. The America. Walk bottom cramine, a change a go course of the America. Who me do free, I Kumasi, continue to Kumasi, to baby, to in Obaha, a Santini or Yari, in Oba, so walk up Blutida. Maybe they will talk about say, and I said, brother, will go,